Goeiemiddag julle. So, ek gaan nou vir julle iets wys wat hier in ons midde gebeur. En dis nie die eerste keer nie. Sy's ook nie die enigste victim hier nie. Ek en my man was ook 'n victim van hierdie soort gedrag. Maar ek glo toe hulle aangeval was, het die polisie hulle ook nie gehelp nie. Delia Baileyveld. So ek gaan nou hierdie lees. When a white South African farmer successfully flees from an attack to the nearest South African police station, I know this to be true because I'm his wife, the one screaming. This is inside the police station. The men beating him are thugs. The people standing around him doing nothing are on duty South African police officials. Because we have this footage, they have maliciously prosecuted my husband for 4 solid years. We live in constant fear as the threats are relentless and the intimidation unbearable. Another class act of discrimination and persecution by the ANC and SAPS. So kom ons speel gou die video.
Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop that! What are they doing? No! Stop that! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Leave him alone! Leave him alone! Take it! He's got his kids! No! No! Help him! No! No! Do something! Do something! Do something! Do something!
Kyk hoe maak sy die deur toe.
Help him!
Wys hierdie ouens.
That's you need to help him! That's mine! That is mine! Help him!
Iemand doen enigiets nie. Polisie doen niks. Right. Ek wil gou teruggaan. Dan wil ek vir julle nog ietsie wys wat vir my opvallend was. En dit is waar sy hof toe gegaan het. En hier het goed gebeur in die hof wat vir my baie aanraak. Kyk, ek en my man was ook, ons het ook hulp gaan soek by die polisie, en die polisie het net niks gedoen nie, en toe het ek hulle begin film, en toe smyt hulle my in die selle in, en toe probeer hulle my te blackmail om die footage te delete. Hulle het my foon van my weggevat, hulle het die footage self probeer delete, maar hulle kon dit nie regkry nie. So kom ek kyk gou of ek gou hierdie post kan kry. Dis nou hier naby. Nou is ons hier so. So kom ons lees gou hier wat hier gebeur het. Today at White River Magistrate Court, I was physically assaulted in a place that is supposed to deliver justice. I emailed at 9:13 to request documents I am constitutionally entitled to. I drove to collect copies. Upon arrival, I was forced through unnecessary obstacles, print out an email and return, sit and wait endlessly. I complied. After repeatedly asking court staff to help, the copies were finally made and handed to the clerk responsible for taking payment and issuing the documents with a receipt. At 10:55, she boldly announced that she was going on a tea break. I explained that I had already waited a long time and politely asked if she could please process my payment first and hand over the documents. She refused and then lunged at me with a kettle in hand, pouring its entire contents over my shirt and skirt. Thank God the water was not boiling. At the same time, a court security guard and SAPS officer grabbed me, dragged me out, and manhandled me aggressively. I am a short woman. They threw me around like a rag doll. At no point did I give anyone permission to lay hands on me. This was clear assault. Yeah, I yelled out, "What are you doing?" In that instant, it took me straight back to the day in 2021 at White River Subs when I screamed the exact same words while connected comrades viciously assaulted my husband inside the police station. This time it was me on the floor. This time it was me being assaulted. This is not okay. Ek gaan nou vir julle hierdie video speel. Ek wil net gou deur al hierdie posts gaan. I walked away shaken and went directly to the magistrate's hall office to request his assistance. I explained that I had requested the documents at 9 a.m. via email and it was unnecessary to make me wait any longer. He went to speak to the admin side, returned shortly and told me the clerk would help me in 30 minutes. I said to him, "But Magistrate Hall, that is racist." His response, "I know." I repeated, "That is very racist." He said again, "Yes, I know it is." I went out to my car and sat there for 30 minutes shaking. My husband arrived by then and walked back in with me. As I have learned the hard way, it is not safe in these courts. You have to record everything. Today, I really wish I had a body cam, especially after being assaulted inside the building. My husband recorded the follow-up interaction. This is the woman who assaulted me by throwing a kettle of water all over me and tackling me. The very same one who previously refused to issue my receipt. Where does this someone even get the idea to use a kettle of water as a weapon? Dit klink vir my al hoe meer soos plaasmoorde, die kookwater en die ketels wat hulle gebruik. It reminds me of the torture methods reported in South African farm attacks. Dis presies wat ek nou net gesê het, behalwe dat ek nou nie die sin gelees het nie. Maar hierso is die vrou. Kom ons kyk gou-gou. Wie is dit? Ek weet nie of julle haar gesig kan sien nie. So hierso is Delia se geld en sy gee die geld en sy vra vir die resiet. Okay, so kom ons gaan gou hier in the behavior of the court staff, security and subs officers was appalling, completely unacceptable from public servants. I eventually got my documents, but only after this ordeal. This fits a disturbing pattern at White River Magistrate Court, as Magistrate Sibia once said to me sarcastically in open court, "You're a very good secretary because I write everything down and keep my receipts in order. We have faced hostility before. Brick attack on my husband by the magistrate. Sibia himself dismissed the charges despite video evidence and repeated difficulties accessing documents. It is simply not safe to go to court if you are white in South Africa, not even for routine paperwork. Avoid at all costs if possible." Nou, ek kan vir jou sê, ek het omtrent dieselfde ge-experience toe ek vir my kind moes aansoek doen met sy pa wat nou dood is. En ek sien dit is eintlik genade van bo dat sy biologiese pa soort van weggevat is, want nou hoef ek nie deur al hierdie loopholes te gaan en hof toe te gaan en al daai goeters nie, want dis die Here wat my weghou van al hierdie justice systems waar al hierdie atrocities plaasvind. So kom ons lees gou hier, dit is nou haar file nommer. So en sy het nou vir hulle gemail, "Good morning, kindly provide me with copies of the following case. All documents, please. I'm on my way from Nelspruit to collect. Will pay cash. Much appreciated." So hier is al haar receipts en goeders, maar kom ons lees gou verder. What would even be the point of reporting this? Dis presies my geval, my case ook. Daar's heel wat goed wat ek nie meer wil report aan SAPS nie, want SAPS doen net mooi niks nie. Hulle doen net mooi niks nie. Jy is te wit, jy is nie geregtig op diens hierson nie. So jy gaan nie gehelp word nie. Al is dit moord of roof of 'n plaasaanval op jou, niks sal gedoen word nie, want jy is te wit in hierdie land. So Assault by clerk court, security and subs officers with no consent or justification. I have even evidence my 913 male, the recording my husband was as witness. I even presented myself drenched to Magistrate Hall, but nothing ever gets done. Cases drag on for years. Threats goes unpunished. Racism is admitted on record yet ignored. Justice in South Africa is a pipe dream for people like us. The system is corrupt, the public servants racist, and no one seems to want to fix it. Persecuted, exhausted, but still not silent. So, hier kan ons sien dat hy gesê het, die Magistrate Hall gesê het, na sy vir hom gesê, dit is racist, toe sê hy, to acknowledge hy, dit is wel racist. So, dit is 'n verskriklike ding wat plaasvind hier in ons gereg, maar ek gaan nou vir julle die video speel. Alright?
Hello?
Can you please call her? The T-Bag's over now.
I'm taking video because of the racism here. What's wrong? Where does it say I'm not allowed to take video? There's a video
Can you call
taken.
her so I can please get my copies?
You're going on X. You shouldn't have done that.
Get a nice shot of her as that way.
Nowhere does it say here that someone's gone on tea at from 11 and...
Can I have the money? Can I have the receipt? Give me the money first!
No. Look at that. Look at this. Yes. I took a video of you again. And there's nothing you can stop me to do it.
Personal protection.
What's he talking about, bro?
Can I have my copies
You obviously
now?
don't know the law, huh?
You've got my money.
Great.
Please give me my copies. You've got my money.
Give me the receipt too. She's screaming at the back because she's racist. We didn't do anything. I haven't screamed nothing. It's her in the back here. Get it right. I don't care the court. She must behave herself. I've got it on video. So you coming out here to reprimand me when she inside there is making a problem. I'm not here causing problems. He comes to me and tells me I can't record, but there he's recording me. That's the same officer that stopped me from opening the police case. Shut up, man. You must keep quiet. You keep quiet. Oh. Keep quiet. You're going to speak. Hey. What else are you? Is your voice that's loud? You see, she's hiding everything. The thief that stole money last time.
Can I have my papers, please?
This is how they treat us white people. Look, the police officers over here. They want to come and talk us what's what. This is the same place that Sadia attacked me. There's the big store. Where you take me with. Today, please. Today. Doesn't take this one. Hey, what's up with the racism here? You do know.
Have a nice day.
Where's the papers?
Can I get the papers,
Last
please?
time you said I must pack myself. I'm busy packing myself.
Can I have the papers?
Please.
I got you.
Nkosi kakhulu sisi. Ndihamba i-X ne?
You are one arrogant man. Huh?
Ooh, it's gonna
This
be
is
nice.
you have got a face on you that could
So hi
kill.
to President Trump.
You got a face on you that could kill an elephant. You're going on X, bro. Oh, this is a public place.
Record.
Oh, she's what? You're so scared.
Yeah, let's go.
Bye-bye.
I've got a picture of it from last time. It's fine.
What? What? What's your name? Give me your name.
Just call me Joe.
Joe.
Yeah.
Nice one, Joe.
Yeah.
Would you not bump into me, Joe?
He doesn't want to do his
I just want to tell you, you're supposed to identify yourself, Joe.
Fighting with me.
No, I am fighting with you. You're racist, Joe. You're all racist, sorry. I just because of this lady, yeah. You'll see it on X. You'll see it on X.
Please go outside.
No, you'll see it on X.
I'd have to not be recording me.
I am recording. It's public space.
Hey, calm down.
Public space. Enjoy. God bless you. Love you lots.